As we approach the 18th anniversary of the Uphaar Cinema fire tomorrow, there is still no closure in the case that's pending before the Supreme Court, or for that matter the Nirbhaya rape and murder. The case has also been stuck in the top court for nearly a year now. Why is it taking so long to get justice? Will the judiciary wake up?
I don't, 18 years I've been following courts very closely, and I've not heard of a single judgment where you can say sentencing has happened after more than a year.
But 18 long years after she lost her 2 children in the fire at Uphaar Cinema that took 59 lives, her fight continues. The Ansuls, owners of Uphaar, were convicted by the Supreme Court in March 2014. But more than a year later, the Apex Court has still not decided on the quantum of their punishment.
When we find that a person is a celebrity or a rich and a powerful politician, you find that these people get out of turn hearings. I mean, they mention the matter and immediately they are heard. Like you've seen in case of Jayalalitha, what's happened.
This isn't an isolated case. There are over 60,000 cases pending in the Supreme Court alone. The number is much higher for lower courts across the country. And even when some cases have shot to prominence, like the December 16 gang rape case, the focus on them hasn't always resulted in closure for the families. As has been the case for journalist Soumya Vishwanathan's parents. Shot dead while returning home from work on September 30, 2008, 7 years on, the case drags on. This time for want of a public prosecutor.
It's not just a delay of justice, it is a delay in justice also encourages other criminals, because there's not, whenever the result comes, whenever the judgment comes, they are not able to relate the judgment with the crime. And who are the people who are punished? We are the ones who are punished. For what? Because we lost our daughter.
If the impression has been created, VIP alone has been given priority and not ordinary man and all. That impression has to be erased by the respective Chief Justice of High Courts and also Chiefs of India.
The Supreme Court has put in place more benches to tackle the growing pendency. But till that has a visible impact for families who have lost their loved one, the long-drawn legal fight is itself a punishment. In New Delhi with Arunachalam Vaidyanathan, Ketki Angre for NDTV.